had video capture off. Sucks.
Why?
I don't know, because I had it off. Okay, got Damien in here. Let's get you back in here now. Now that I got video capture on, now you're not going to come back.
Way to go.
No,
You
no.
weren't recording that?
No.
I thought I was.
You just got touched by a ghost for no reason. Thanks a lot.
And you don't know what he put in your hand.
Yeah.
Oh,
Whatever
God.
was underneath.
He probably just...
What'd you say?
Whatever was underneath them, that's the only spike I got since we've been in here.
Oh, you did get a spike?
It was 1.6 really quick.
That's what we
All right, go back over there near Damien. Go back over near that post near Damien and put your hand in his hand again.
I heard the zipper.
There you are.
Is it back?
Damien's got his hand out again. Put your junk in it. No, he didn't.
Oh, he's over to the right.
Robert's over in the corner again. Hey, Robert, tell your friend to... Oh, Robert's coming over.
Damien used to be
Robert, you keep jumping behind the pole, dude.
Big dumb idiot.
Robert keeps jumping behind the pole. Robert's over there.
He'll come out.
Come on. Whoever was standing in front of Damien, putting your hand in his hand, I want to see you do it again, please. That was one of the most amazing things I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, that had to have been one of the most amazing things I've ever seen. Put your hand in Damien's hand again, please.
Maybe if Damien goes away, maybe he'll come there and then Damien.
I was saying, this guy was moving around.
It's true. We had spikes before over in the.
Behind again?
Go see if he's over in the corner.
There's Damien still mapped in.
Are you back here?
Yeah.
Where you at?
Go see if he's over in the corner where Brew is. Go over that
Look
way.
at that. Look. He's down there with Damien. He was down there with Damien again. There's Damien.
Do you like me?
All right, come on, all of you come out. This is trick or treat. Come on. All of you come out. Are you hiding again now?
Do you guys have something against me?
Yep, it's over. That's Sean.
That's not.
No, it's not.
Where is it?
That's right over there by that pole.
Right over by the pole.
Is it Drew?
Sean, come this way.
Right above. Oh, right above Millette's head.
Sean, step down here. Keep it to you.
Can you feel cold around you, Millette?
No, that's not
Yeah, that's not
Not any
Sean.
more than normal.
Somebody's over here too. Wait a minute. Look. There's one on this pole too, right around you too, Millette.
There's two of
Just
them.
to your left. There's Millette mapped in. Can one of you touch Millette's head? There you go. Look. Touch Millette's head.
Should I try and take a picture?
No.
No.
Where'd you go? I got Millette mapped in real. There you are. Look, don't be afraid. Raise both arms above your head. Let's play a game. There's another one right over here too. All three of them are here. Four of them. 1, 2, 3, and then Millette. See this one over here? Looks like a spider sometimes. Like he's crawling on the floor. You see 3 different ones? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
One of them.
Millette, do you feel something close to your head?
There's one dancing behind you.
The one dancing on Millette's head. Put your arms straight out. Put your arms straight out. Why are you dancing on her head?
I'm sure they wrote good pictures. You could notice.
This is just awesome stuff.
Getting the pretty hair.
Where'd you go?
That was so good.
Now all three of them are, well, there he's back again. Are you the one that likes to grope women? If you are, raise your hand. Which one of you likes to grope women?
He's doing the Millie Rock.
You doing an awful lot of dancing around. You act like you gotta go to the bathroom or something. You back over in the corner, come forward.
I feel cold now.
See, I told him to come forward and he just
I
left.
feel cold now. I mean, I've been chilly, but
There he
I
is, he's back. He's closer to your head now. He's closer. He's right on top of your head.
I don't know how you're sitting there, Millette. I'd be dead.
And there's another one fighting over here.
They're all around me.
There's that one again.
Where the EMF detector is exactly where the other guy was.
Did he leave when I put it here?
Yep.
Right there's one by Millette again.
He's standing on your head, Millette. He's actually bent
There's
over.
that one on the pole.
Yeah, the one is on the pole again where you were before, Drew.
2.4.
Can you touch this? Touch the antenna on the
Oh
end
my
of
God,
this.
he is touching it. Look at his arm. His arm is touched. Millette,
Yeah.
Millette, I would get up. Look at him.
Oh my gosh.
I'll sit down.
I'm telling you, he came over and was standing on your shoulders and started bending over on your head.
Freaking raper.
You gonna do that to a man?
Got mega chills, man.
What is this?
You gonna do that to a
That's
man?
from my door over there.
When I show you that on this film, Millette, you'll crap your pants.
Oh no.
Where'd you go now? Did you all hide?
Next to you.
Millette. You could've just got
What, you don't like me now?
Watch your temperature there and see if it goes down.
I got a couple of spikes.
Where'd you go?
Temperature is going down.
There he is.
God, I need you.
There he is.
No, I do too. I do
Drew,
too.
what's your temperature over there?
45.2.
American flag.
He's up a little bit higher.
Over here is 43.
They're just like, that guy's badass. We better not mess with him.
Can you touch my hand again?
He's way up there on top of the pole. He's up near where the his hands are going over where the round thing is,
Spin it.
just to open up the valve.
See if we can get a high five.
Are you trying to open the valve?
Can I get a high five?
He's. Oh my God! He's touching your hand. You
Oh
feel him
my
touching
God.
your
My
hand?
hand is warm now.
Oh my god.
Dude, that's sick.
I just got the
Yeah,
worst
he's like low.
chills
He's
in
like
my
low
life.
fiving you.
Alright, down low.
Too slow.
It could be mine.
Right there.
There he is.
Is he going down low?
No, he's right in the middle of the pole.
You sure you
It
want
ain't
it?
mine. Look, it's mine. Look, it's the same thing.
Bring him down a little bit.
That is.
You're touching his knee.
Grab his knee and pull it out from him.
Now you're too high.
Now up around his head.
Give me 5.
It should be standing.
Put your arm around Damien's.
I'm gonna find it. Mm-hmm.
You know who Damien is? He's right next to you. Put your arm around him. That's what he did. Look at it. You see that?
Yep, you're walking back.
You all listen pretty well. You're like a bunch of dancing seals. You're the one that likes smoking cigarettes? Huh? Where's the one that likes smoking cigarettes?
Where's the one that likes groping women?
Yeah, are you the one that likes to grope women?
That was missing. You don't think
I'm standing right here. Come grope me.
Not quite the same, Damien.
You're like mandated.
Oh, wait a
Oh
minute.
my gosh.
The guy,
You
you
said
gave
that
an open
he was-
invitation. He was jumping on your head.
As long as he can, just like,
Squeak down.